Hey, what's up, Dent Coin holders? Today video is going very special because this is the Dent Coin latest update. A price, what's the latest price, what's the change occur, and my friends, what's the prediction to upcoming days? They moving up or they falls down, and what's the opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything discussed in this video with complete details, my friend. If you are a new holder, then don't skip this video. If you are an old holder, then absolutely don't skip this video because this video is going very special. We make this video for more and more research, so kindly this especially make a Dent Coin researcher. Okay, my friend, first of all I'm going to show you the current chart, my friend, but kindly, my friend, please, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for this type more informative videos. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and press bell icon. All right, my friend, the last 1 hour current price, current change is on the screen. You can see here the last 1 hour change occur as plus minus 0.33%. They fails down in the last 1 hour. Just in 1 hour they fails down minus 0.33%. and if you can see here the price is 0.009818 US dollar. So this is the latest price. This is the latest price, my friend, of one Dent coin. All right, my friend, if we check out this time the chart result, the resistance line is here, my friend, sorry, here, and if you can see here, my friends, they fails down from the resistance line. So definitely if they cross the resistance line, they fails down, then absolutely the change is a negative. You can see here after a very small jump they fails down. So definitely, my friend, after a jump they fails down. Every cryptocurrency fails down because if they starting moving up, then holders starting selling, the holders starting buying. But definitely when they starting fails now, so especially the short-term investors starting selling. So definitely they moving very badly, fails down. But definitely after a fails they take a jump. So this time you can see here they take a jump. So it's mean, my friends, to upcoming days they moving up like a rocket. Absolutely, when they cross the resistance line, the change occur is in positive, definitely. So the good time is coming soon. All holders, please be alert, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, in upcoming days they moving up like a rocket. So all holders, keep touch with us. I update you when they moving up more and more, absolutely, hour by hour I update you. You just subscribe this channel and press bell icon for updates, and I hope you cannot lost if you subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.